Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raking Profit with Harry Profits. Say hello to everybody on YouTube. Hi. Oh, he's a little camera shy. I'm really excited because if you've seen any of my previous videos, sorry, buddy, my garage is a complete mess right now. And over the last year, I've done almost 400,000 in sales. I'll pull up my sales so you know I'm not full of you know what. But for me, I don't know about you guys, but leave a comment down below. Do you feel way more motivated running your business when things are nice and organized? So here's my Amazon business right here, and you can see that I'm refreshing it. I've done 383,000 in sales since April 1st, 2022 up until now. So it's about a year, maybe a little more than a year. The goal for this year is 750,000. So we're gonna be remodeling my garage because we've been like doing and running my business like inside the house. And the truth is my girlfriend's gonna kill me. So let's go inside the garage and I'll actually just share with you what it's looking like right now. But you guys gotta promise not to judge me. Hold on, let me ask Potter. Potter, we got Harry and Potter. Do you think the people are gonna judge us? Do you think so? Say hi. Oh my gosh. The funny thing is she doesn't really like to get picked up that much. All right, so let's go in the garage and show you this beautiful, legitimate six-figure seller garage. So this is it right here. Zach, if you wanna pan around and share with everybody what we got going on here. So this is the whole setup. I admit it's a complete mess right now. I'm usually not this much of a slob. I mean, especially on, on YouTube. But we've got a lot of stuff that we're doing right now and we're cleaning up. So the first thing we're actually gonna be doing is we're gonna be obviously clearing out all this stuff. So I run an eBay to Amazon flipping business. So I buy all my items from eBay. You can see a bunch of them are stacked up right here. I usually have anywhere from 40 to 100 items showing up to my house every day. And obviously we always get a ton of boxes. So this place is loaded up. We're working on a new system, but we're gonna clean out all these boxes. We're gonna get out all this freaking pesticide crap out of the garage. We're gonna clean all this up. And the first thing we're gonna do, and Zach's behind the camera. Say what's going on, Zach.
What's going on, guys?
He's actually helping me to create a custom floor. So the first thing we're gonna do is put in like, what are they called, Zach? Like interlocking mats or something?
Interlocking garage tiles?
Yeah, interlocking garage tiles. So we're gonna do like a cool little design. Which one are we more geared towards, Zach? Are we, I think like this one maybe or something? Or?
Yeah, I mean, this one's my favorite, but
yeah,
this one might be a little bit more.
Yeah, so it's gonna be, what do you think the cost is? Like 1,500 in material or something? Somewhere around there?
I would say, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna probably be around like 1,500 bucks to do the floor because it's like, it's just nasty in here. And for me, again, my personal preference is like, I like to have an environment that's clean, right? Even though you guys are probably like, you're full of you know what. I promise you, I'm usually not this much of a slob. We might have to do a house tour to prove everyone my dishes aren't full. But so we're gonna put the floor down. The second thing we're gonna do, I don't know if we're gonna put it up right up here, Zach, or we may put it behind. What is that called? Like, what's that thing called? The split off or splitter?
No, a splitless mini duct.
Yeah, splitless mini duct, whatever it's called. It's like one of those white things that go on the wall. It's like that long rectangular white thing. It's I just got a quote for actually $4,000. I know a guy. Shout out to Damien who hooked me up with this guy, but he works for like a company but does like side work or whatnot. Usually I think it's like 6 or 7 grand, but for 4 grand he's gonna install it. And essentially what it's gonna do is it's gonna provide heat and it's gonna provide air conditioning because I'm in Connecticut, so it either gets really cold or really hot. So we're gonna get the floors done. We're gonna have that put up. Also what we're gonna do, let's see if I don't kill myself live on camera. I don't know if you've ever seen this, Zach, but we have a really cool attic, and you could actually, I might actually start having to utilize that. If you see up there, like the guy who lived here before me, he built out like a bunch of shelves and stuff. So it's really good storage. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. We're gonna go up there because we're losing a lot of heat and there's a lot of cold coming in because we do have an insulated, this door is insulated, but you can't really see it, but like behind you, Zach, there's like holes in the wall and stuff. And we just need to patch up the walls and we're gonna insulate. We're gonna shoot insulation. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just telling you what my construction guy said, or handyman, whatever he is. But we're gonna insulate that whole thing up there to prevent like heat and air from getting in. We're gonna do the floors. we were thinking of possibly doing an air conditioner at first, but again, we're not gonna go that route. We're just gonna go legit. And then I'm super pumped up. We're gonna paint the wall. So Zach, I'm curious, man, what we're gonna decide to do. He was thinking doing like maybe, what, a two-tone type of deal? We'll see. We'll see, who knows? We might have to get like the Rake and Profit logo up or whatnot, but I'm really trying to create something I'm proud of. And a lot of people have been asking me behind the scenes, like, Steve, why don't you just get a warehouse, dude? And the truth is, and this is just me, I don't want a warehouse. I don't want physical employees. I don't want to have all the overhead. Like, I just want to have a cool home-based business. If you guys know me, like, I used to have a Corvette and whatnot. I got rid of that crap. I don't care about all the materialistic stuff. What I want to do is be comfortable at my home. I got myself my home gym. I got a sauna. I got a hot tub. I'm going to build this puppy out, put nice floors in, make it a cool home-based business. Like, my goal isn't to sell like $5-10 million on Amazon. Like, if that's you, good, go for it. I don't care. Like, I just want to have a nice, cozy, home-based business, and I'm gonna make it mine. And that's what I'm really excited about sharing with all of you. So let me see, are there any more notes? Is there anything else that I missed, Zach, in terms of what we're gonna be doing to this garage? Yeah, the last thing is, I might as well document this as well. If you take a look right here, and for anyone who has a garage and you notice like a bunch of paint is coming up, the reason is because water is coming in. So this is actually a little uneven, so the garage isn't even closing on it perfectly. So we're gonna fix that up a little bit right there. Outside of that, I mean, that's pretty much the deal. This is pretty much gonna be very similar. We'll probably get a couple more tables right here. And I think one thing I'm gonna have Zach help me with, and what's his name? I forgot what his name is, Chad. I know he has a prep center and whatnot. I've been watching some of his videos, and he has like cool little things built out. Like, what is that thing called? That white pegboard. There's like metal ones where you could like put it, yeah, it's like magnetized. I might get something like that over here and like have like the tape gun and different things hanging up, or maybe like one of those little, what are those, like duct pipes that you can like put like bubble wrap and different things and like organize the boxes better, get some shelves. So I'm gonna need you guys' help because I'm like a 7-year-old when it comes to this type of stuff. Like, my brain is so bad at like figuring out like how to organize things and make it really nicely. So Zach, I'm counting on you, brother. You're gonna have to help me with this. But yeah, this is where we are so far. I didn't clean this place up purposefully because I wanted to show you guys the mess. I wanted to show you guys the show and just share with you, like, you don't need to have a fancy dancy place. Like, I'm gonna be spending probably between like the little split thingamajiggy, whatever it's called, and painting and the floor. Like, it's probably gonna be a $10,000 job. Is it needed? It's not needed. Am I at a point in my business and do I have the finances to afford it? I do, I'm just being honest. But for me, it's like, I've gotten to the point now where like I'm making really good money. I want to invest in building a place I'm proud of, a place that like I'm excited to go work in. Like, let's be honest, like, Zach, would you be excited to come work in this freaking dungeon? Like, I wouldn't when it's freezing cold. He's like, no. He's trying to be nice. Like, I want a place that inspires me. And for me, it's all about long-term growth, right? It's not always about, and for some of you guys, it's a different situation. Like, you're in a different financial situation. But for me, I'm trying to maintain, continue to slowly grow, and just have a good lifestyle and have a place I'm proud to be able to work in. So I'll share more with you guys. I'll share more updates. Comment down below if you'd like me to document every step of this journey, to share the before and after. And with that being said, keep on picking and making that money.